Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of a warning of a permanent downgrade on asset quality that will affect banks worldwide. But with Japan, China and Singapore all on holiday, global economic news is a bit thin today. First up, American inflation expectations seem to be easing, even if the changes are small. But for the year ahead, they were steady in January at 3%, the lowest in 3 years. Overall, looking ahead 3 years, they're down to 2.4%. In India, consumer inflation is also falling, even if there are some key elements that remain high. Overall, it eased to 5.1% in January, the lowest in 3 months, from 5.7% in December, and matching market expectations. Their central bank has a wide 2 to 6% target range. Indian industrial production was up 3.8% in December from a year ago, handily more than November's 2.4% and the expected 2.5%. In China, the January data on new car sales were a disappointment. They reported their first month-on-month decline in vehicle sales since August, despite renewed efforts by some car makers to offer discounts in the world's largest car market. Just on 2 million vehicles were sold in the month, down 14% from December. Sales of passenger NEVs fell almost 30% month-on-month, also the first drop since August. In Europe, a new ECB official is worried about structural changes in their banking sector, and asset quality is starting to deteriorate, she said. She warned of a permanently changed risk landscape that requires lenders to alter how they operate. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.17%, a little change from yesterday. The price of gold will start today down $10 at $2,014 an ounce. Oil price is little changed, still at just on $76.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price just over $81.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just under 61.4 US cents and marginally softer from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down nearly half a cent though, to 93.9 Australian cents. Against the euro, we opened just under 57 euro cents and little changed. That all means our trade weight index starts today at just over 70.7 and down 20 basis points. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.